On today's video, I got a very special unboxing. We got a very special part in for the 70 Camaro conversion we're going to do. And I'm going to unbox it with you. If you're a 70 Camaro split bumper fan, or if you're a 70 Camaro thinking about doing this conversion kind of fan, or you're in progress of doing one yourself, this is a very expensive piece to your car that you're going to be needing for the conversion. And it's aftermarket, because the original ones is not always in the best shape, and people want outrageous prices for something that needs repaired when you can just buy new. So let's just unbox it. So you should be able to tell exactly where this came from. F-Body Store, fbodystore.com. This is Firebird and Camaro Restoration Parts Specialist, you know, specialties, or however you pronounce that. And yeah, they got everything you need, pretty much. If they don't, you know, you might have trouble being able to find it. But let's just open it up. I got a box cutter today. Here we go. First thing in the box when you open it up is a very nice business card. There you go. Just in case you want the information and you can see it better, just pause the screen. Finish opening this up. It's packaged extremely good. I mean, here we go. Oh, that's pretty heavy. This is what we got. We got the actual nose piece to the car itself. I see one imperfection right here. High build primer will take care of that. That ain't a break. Just like a mold and crack right there. So that ain't no biggie. That's just a urethane. It'd probably be more if you look around to it. Looks extremely good. All the mounting points. On the back side, if you're looking to buy one, they look extremely good. Look like it's got this metal back in here, and it's got the urethane poured over top of it, so this is actually infused inside this molding, so it shouldn't warp or bend out of place when sun hits it. Weighs about 12 pounds or more, I would say. You know, you just got to imagine it with fenders, the front piece to the Camaro on it, and the lower valance and stuff with the two little split bumpers. But if you're doing this conversion, this piece is gonna run you around $600, sometimes more, sometimes less, but you might as well say $600 is exactly what this is going to get you if you're in the United States. I don't know if you're overseas trying to do this. Import charges might be more, but it's pretty good for the price. The quality looks good. The fitment I'm not sure on, as I ain't got into trying to fit this car together yet. We still working on the LS engine, and we still you know, got to patch the front fenders. They 73 model fenders. You can use 70 to 74 Camaro fenders. If you can scrounge any parts up from like a Savage Yard or anything like that, or buy replacement fenders, you can get OEM, they will fit better, but 70 to 74 fenders work for a 70 conversion. So if you're excited for the 70s Camaro conversion, be sure to drop a like, leave a comment, and if you do one of these, let me know how far you got, if my video's been helpful. Got a whole playlist on this subject. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for watching. I appreciate it, and I'll see you next time.